Hi kabayan! Good evening everyone. Today's video, I will share to you how to download background music and instrumental music without or non-copyright. Copyright or copyright claim means someone used their music or instrumental music without their permission. YouTube allow us to use background music and instrumental music and audio library free to avoid copyright or copyright claim. Before we continue, let's enter first and we will continue our tutorial. And if you're new on our channel and you watch our video, consider subscribe our channel ShirlJun Vlogs and hit notification bell so you'll be notified with our latest video. See you in my tutorial. Let's continue. Open your Google Chrome in your Android phone. Tap the three dots. New tab. YouTube apps. Three dots again. Desktop site. I will make this one in landscape position. I will tap my profile picture. I will tap also YouTube Studio. Open by Chrome. So I will make again this one in portrait position. In my channel dashboard, you can see in the left side lower portion the symbol of the music notes, and this is the audio library. You can see free music, sound effects, and start. To download the music that you like, just tap the play button, drag going to the left, and tap the download. Automatically, it will go to your files. So I will stop first. In the search or filter library, you can choose here the type of music that you like or your favorite. So I will tap search or filter library. Then in the genre and mode, you can see here the type of music. First, I will tap the genre. You see, from alternatives and funks, then goes to rock. So I will tap the, pop. Then tap apply. So all the pop music, it will appear. You can choose your favorite pop. Just tap the play button. Then continue. And the right side, you can tap the download. And then to remove that one, just tap this one. And then go back again to search or filter library. Go to genre again. Choose again the type of music that you like. Let's say rock. Then apply. So I will tap the first one. I'll play the button. And then you can download that one. If you need another one, music, just tap beside the genre rock. Then go to mode. So in mode, you can choose any type of music that you like to be added in your video. Let's say your video is more on happy, just tap the happy and tap apply and select which one happy music that will be fitted into your video. Let me try this one, sunshine. I will tap the play button. See, if you like that one, goes to the right side and tap the download. Let's say if you want to know all the music of the artist, just tap only, this line going arrow, tap this one, all the music of that artist, it will appear. Since they have only one. So let's find another one. We'll see. So that you will know. Let's say Freeling. Let's only play it. And let me stop and go to the artist. Tap this one. They have only one. So let check another one. Let's say, Sweet Relief. Let's see this one, and a Sweet Relief. Let me stop and go to the, let's go to the artist. The artist is Zakaria. I will tap this one. Zakaria, they have two. So this is the way how you can select all the music of every artist. Now after that, just tap only this one. The X. And then tap another one, and the mood, happy, and also the genre rock. If you need to select another type of music, just go to, search or filter library. So you can choose the type of music that you like there. There's so many, very nice song that we can be fitted to our, video. Now if I will scroll going up, and then I will drag going to the left, you can see here the row per page. You can change this one by tapping this arrow going down by 50 or 100, like that. Now, if you go to another page, just again drag going to the left and tap this, in the right side, this arrow. Then it will go to the next page. So this is the way how we can, choose and select the best music and the audio library. So if you need also in the sound effect, just tap the sound effect and select the sound effect that you like, then download also. And the start will send the start. You can select also here. Everything is here. So it's your choice to select the best music fitted on your video. Now, if you really learn something in my tutorial about downloading in the audio library the free music and the sound effect and the start, if you learn something, consider subscribe my YouTube channel ShirlJun Vlogs and hit notification bell so you will be notified with our latest video. Thank you very much for patiently watching my tutorial. See you in my next video.